What's up, everybody? So the secret to trading is mindset. Yep, you knew I was going to say that. Everybody hates to hear that, but the thing is, how do you get to a positive mindset? Why do you keep losing? Why do you keep blowing accounts? Why do you keep over leveraging when you know you shouldn't, and you know what happens when you keep doing it, right? The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting different results. So I know as a trader from my own experience and all the people that I've coached, helped to get funded, helped to get to that next level, it all centers around mindset. There's not some secret indicator or strategy, as much as I wish there was. It's all about getting it dialed in. What are you saying to yourself? The negative self-talk. I know you have it. I have it. We all have it. And God, with it coming, all the insanity in the world every single day, every single second, just coming to us 24/7 on our phones, you have to really get tuned in and to be able to drown that voice out and replace it with some positivity, some beliefs in yourself and beliefs in your ability that you're doing the right thing, that you can keep coming back, that you can keep winning day and day and day again. That's how you get funded. That's how you get to that next level. And ultimately, that's how you can really break free of the matrix that has you having to show up and having to go to work every day and not being the boss of yourself, right? Which trading is an opportunity, that one of the few out there that can do that, where you can be in charge. If you can get this dialed in, that's the thing. It's like the ultimate teaching program, because it's only you and you. So check out this call. This is a great discussion we had live on our Accelerator group. This is a small little sample, 10-minute sample of a discussion we had as we were trading, of a 2-hour live call that I did last Wednesday. So check it out. You're gonna love it. Be sure to take some notes if you're struggling with your mindset, your negative self-talk. You keep shooting yourself in the foot over and over and over again. You'll find some stuff in this video that's definitely going to help you out with that. So enjoy. And reasonably be good risk management, I should put it that way, with what works for me and what works for you. Everybody's different, but consistent with the risk management. For one, not doing like big trades one day, small the other, trying to be as equal as possible. So then you can be like, okay. And it's all about coming back the next day and doing it again, and coming back the next day and doing it again, and stacking those small wins, because just like trying to hit it out of the park every single day, it works some days for sure. But there's always that day where you just get punched in the face too. And it's like, man, so like the more you can just keep your risk management, when I say like trade small, I mean like where your losses are minimal and you can stomach them. And so you can come back the next day and do it again, do it again, and do it again. And that's the recipe. That, and just being aligned with mental, physical, energy, and just having all that aligned. So if all those three things are aligned, you can really, that's how you hit your goals and really like hit your purpose and get your target and what you're aiming for. Because if you're trading, but you have negative self-talk, it's going to destroy you. You got to be like on point with the way you're talking to yourself. Because that, like, if you're like, oh man, another losing trade, you idiot, then you're going to be like projecting that everywhere. So it's like, man, I've been getting on these calls. I'm making progress. I'm writing it down. I'm doing what I know I should be doing. And that's going to really start to, doesn't happen overnight, but man, just becoming aware of the way we're talking to ourselves, what we're putting in our bodies.
Yeah. Oh, and Clay, just to let you know, man, everything you were saying is like so powerful here as a trader, because I'm on, like, this month is literally my coming up on 1 year trading.
That's it, dude. Wow.
Yeah, so I'm at 1 year trading now, because I just started trading during the pandemic last year.
Yeah, that's right.
During lockdown. And so it's like, at this point, I definitely know how to trade. So everything is a mental thing. Like, I have no doubt that I know how to trade. But as far as like what you were saying, as far as the mental part, it's like at this point, I just got to get out of my own way on certain things. That's why so many of the people in the group, I don't know how long some of them have been trading, but I'm so impressed and happy for them that, like, even with the challenges, like everything you were saying is just like so on point to me as a person who's coming up on 1 year of trading.
Yeah.
And it's like, right now going into that next year, hopefully I can eliminate that stuff and I'll be very profitable.
Yeah, dude, that's the whole deal, man. It really is. It's not about the strategy or the right indicator or whatever. It's about what's helped me and is helping me the most is like, what am I saying to myself while I'm doing this? Like, how am I talking to myself? Like, am I fucking beating myself up after I've made every error, just like you said. You have multiple trade copiers going and one's like set wrong or something, and you like think you crushed it that day, and then like go back and look at something, it's like, oh wait, no, I just did all that for nothing, I just lost. Wow. It's like, what do you say to yourself after that? Are you gonna just like, yeah, that's what you get, da 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 da? I mean, I can do that just fast as anybody too, and like and trading's a thing where it's like, man, that's the easiest way to go. Obviously, you're not going to make any progress doing that, just so like keeping that, whatever you can do to keep your physical body just like somewhat healthy, to get you in a higher physical. Tony Robbins talks about your state. What type of state is your body in? So like if you're a salesperson, you want to go into like a sale and be like, well, will you please buy this car? You ever go to a car lot and somebody's like, if you ever go to a car lot and you're like, man, do you even want me to buy anything here? Like, or like, it's like they're like, I don't know. Yeah, it's got some stuff on it, features. Here's the keys if you want to check it out. I'm like, yeah, I think I'm good. It's like, or is it going to be somebody that walks up and be like, hey, how we doing today? What's it going? How can I help you? Like, what do you want? What are you looking for? And it's like actually has an interaction. Like one person is in a higher state, the other one's in like a self-defeating straight beta male state. You know what I mean? So it's like you got to be. But the weird thing and the unique thing about trading is it's like, all right, Clay, it's just me and you again today. Luckily we have people on here that we can do this with, but so being like, whatever you got to do to get in a peak state, do some, burpees before you like open up for New York session or whatever, that'll get you out of the negative self-talk super fast. Or I actually have a pull-up bar over there that like, when I just start like over leveraging or over trading, I close them out and do a couple sets of 10 of pull-ups, just to straight like punish myself. I guess, I don't know. So, but like whatever you can do to keep that energy high, because man, it's a complete, some people might not agree, but they're like, no, it's I'm very like, whichever brain is like the creative one, I'm very like, let's tap in to the market and really like get to where we can start getting into the zone that like Mark Douglas talks about and that pro athletes get into and stuff. And I think that's just so true about trading, because when you're not in it and it's like I can't even put on a right trade, like that everybody knows that feeling when it's like, man, I can't even like open in MT4 and not lose money. Like, so it's like one or the other for me, dude. It's like and what I've been working on personally lately is like just my positive self-talk, like getting up super early and just like, all right, dude, yeah, you beat the sun up again today, man. You're gonna crush it. Going to the gym, getting it in the gym after your call, man. Fucking killing it today, dude. Instead of being like, man, fuck, I guess I'm gonna go order some more Uber Eats, and that's what you get. Like it's one or the other. And dude, like since trading is so high performance, man, it's like which one do you think is going to make you a better trader? I'm not saying like that's what it's all about, but I mean, it kind of is really. So I like that discussion there. If you want to join us on our live calls, if you're ready to step it up, Now is the time. I'm telling you, who knows what's going to happen. We could go in another lockdown. It'll probably happen. And trading is the one thing where behind the scenes, you can make money on your own. But the thing is you have to have the capital to do that, to be able to make a significant income, right? So nobody, once you can do this, and it takes time, it takes dedication, it takes mentorship, it helps so much to trade with the group live. We trade Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and NFP Friday. NFP's this week, so we'll be trading live. It helps so much to have a group of people. You can tell in the call, we're joking, laughing, the camaraderie. It's the highlight of my day every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, because I love being on those calls and helping everybody and helping people to get to that next level. So if you're ready, let me know, shoot me a message on Telegram. If you're dedicated, have a great just vibe and want to be a team player and are ready to get to that next level, this is the time. These funds, it will take traders if you can prove that you're profitable and can manage your risk. And who knows what's going to happen in the future. I'm not trying to do any scare tactics. There's enough of that on the news right now, but I'm telling you, I know just for what I'm trying to do for myself is secure as much funding as possible so I can actually have a way to make money and not be reliant on the government or not be reliant on having to go to a job or anybody else or asking permission to go into whatever, so this is a huge opportunity. Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows how it's going to last? But if you want to be a part of this accelerator group, it's super special. The vibe is amazing. I'm so proud of all the people in there. People are getting funded, having success. I don't know any other Forex group out there that is showing people getting funded, people winning, people actually trading as a group, and it happening over and over and over again. It's not about the stuff or Lambos or whatever. It's about winning. So if you want to join a winning team, shoot me a message on Telegram, click the link below. Have an awesome weekend. I'll see y'all next trading week. Be sure to get that mindset dialed in, write down your notes, write down your goals, write down your victories. And that's the first step to get started. Peace.